How to fix your ring camera, ring camera chime flashing green. So it usually means the device is in setup mode. So this kind of light and that is flashing. We don't need this image here actually. Say farewell to that. And what you're gonna do, the first thing you can do is to just wait for the chime itself to finish booting. If you've just plugged it in, give it a moment. A solid green light can appear while the chime is starting up, then it may enter the setup mode. Next actually is to set it up in the Ring app. Open the Ring app, tap the menu or the set up a device option. So here you can choose the chimes. Let's go ahead and find it first. Or you could also scan a QR code. But anyways, we're gonna find it manually, go to chimes, and then choose your specific model. Anyways, once that is done, you can connect it to the correct Wi-Fi network, choose your home Wi-Fi and enter the correct password. And if the setup fails, move the chime closer to the router and just try again. And then finally, you can try factory resetting the chime if it does stay stuck. So hold this side button. So usually there's a button at the side of the chime which looks something like this, or any kind of button honestly. And then release it only after 15 seconds, okay? Then set it up again, and you can use this only if the normal setup or reconnecting doesn't work. But if you mean the ring camera itself and not the separate ring chime accessory, the light pattern may mean something different. But for the ring chime or the chime itself, I'm not saying chime, I mean chime. The flashing green means it is ready for setup. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.